Agriculture is the foundation of human civilization. It allowed our ancestors to stop wandering in search of food. Instead, they began to grow their own. This change from hunting and gathering to farming was a huge turning point in human history. It happened gradually over thousands of years in different parts of the world. Around 10,000 years ago, people began to understand the life cycles of plants. They noticed that seeds could grow into new plants. This discovery led to the first experiments in farming. People began to cultivate crops near their settlements. They also started to domesticate animals like dogs, sheep, and goats. In the Fertile Crescent, a region in the Middle East, people cultivated wheat and barley. They also domesticated sheep and goats. These early farmers built mud brick houses and irrigation canals. In East Asia, rice became the staple crop. People domesticated pigs and chickens there. They lived in villages built along rivers and streams. In the Americas, farming developed independently. People in Mesoamerica domesticated maize, beans, and squash. They developed sophisticated farming techniques like terraced fields and irrigation systems. In South America, potatoes and quinoa were important crops. People domesticated llamas and alpacas for their wool and as pack animals. The shift from foraging to farming had a profound impact on human societies. It led to settled life, population growth, and the development of villages. With a surplus of food, people had more time to specialize in other activities. This specialization led to the development of crafts, such as pottery and weaving. Farming also created social hierarchies. Some people controlled more land and resources than others. This led to the development of social classes and political systems. Agriculture was the catalyst for the rise of civilizations. It allowed for the growth of cities and the development of complex societies. Farming also led to technological advancements such as the plow, the wheel, and irrigation systems. These innovations increased food production and supported larger populations. However, agriculture has also had negative impacts on the environment. Deforestation, soil erosion, and water pollution are some of the challenges associated with agriculture. Today, as we face the challenges of climate change and a growing population, we must find sustainable ways to feed the world. Agriculture has shaped our world in profound ways. From the food we eat to the cities we live in, our lives are deeply intertwined with the legacy of agriculture. As we look to the future, we must continue to innovate and find new ways to feed ourselves while protecting our planet.